Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup looks, makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, makeup unboxings, pretty much anything related to makeup and beauty. And today we are going to be doing the November Allure Beauty Box. So Allure Beauty is a monthly beauty subscriptions. I think you get 6 to 7 products in it. They did change the price. It used to be like $15 a month. Now it's like $21, let's say $23 is what I'm thinking. I will have to relook that up. I do know they changed the price for whatever reason. And I don't know. I'm going to let this month really, say if I'm going to keep it or not. Because I know with last month's, they had promised we was going to get 2 to 3 full-size products because of the price increase. And I don't know, the box last month just didn't seem like it was really worth the money. It comes in a box like this. And here's what it looks like when you open it from the beauty experts. Then they always send this little pamphlet that tells you about your product. Okay. First thing. Allure, welcome to skin wellness. Okay, this is an ultra hydrating 12-hour facial moisturizer. You're getting 0.67 flow ounces, which is 20 milliliters. I don't think this is a full-size product. I do think this is a deluxe size sample. I have used a bunch of their stuff. They are really good stuff. It's got like a perfume smell to it. Something like flowers. It feels really, really good. But since it is a facial moisturizer, I don't really like the strong smell. It kind of smells like roses and just flowers. I don't know if I could tolerate that all day. It is 100% vegan. It is mineral oil free. It's pretty much free of everything and cruelty free. Okay. So I think that's deluxe. That's what I'm going on because for $23 when it was $15, I was talking $8 raise. You're really like, is the box worth it or not now? Okay, Perfect Shine, clarifying scalp scrub. I do have something like this, which was really good. This is by Natural Lab. We're getting like 1 flow ounce in here, which is 30 milliliters. This is cruelty free and vegan free, I think. This is not a full size product either. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the inside. It focused and went out. Okay, there we go. So, no, this don't feel like what I was thinking it was. My other one is like very salty, and you can really feel the grit to it. This is what this one looks like. It smells good. Like really to get in there and like if you got dandruff or a rough scalp or anything like that, it will like help relieve that. But it does smell good, but it is not full size. Okay. So far out of 2 products, we have got both deluxe size samples. Okay. This is Real Ferment Micro Essence Neogen Duralog. Okay, this is 93% micro bio ferment complex. And I don't think this is full size either. I think for $23 a month, while I'm opening this, I'm going to tell you my opinion. So I think for $23 a month, they should be sending, because that's almost like up there with BoxyCharm is $25 a month, Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. And there's other boxes, but, you know, like for $25, you do get like 5 full-size products. And for $23, you know, if you're going to send deluxe size samples, at least send 3 to 4 full-size products and a couple, like maybe make a box of 6 and put 4 full-size and 2 small. This is the Brighton. Okay, it's formulated with natural brighteners for growing supply your skin. So you kind of use it something like a toner or an essence. You just take a cotton ball, put it on. It smells good. It's not like too strong, not like the first one. Okay. Oops. Okay, so Josephine, this is Glimmerosity Healthy. This is an eye/dazzle natural long wear liquid eyeshadow. And now I would think this is a full size. I think this is about what size the Stellas are. So it comes in one of the dofas that's got the little center in the middle to hold a little extra product. It is, I don't know, let me do that again. Yeah. Okay, so when you first put it on, it looks like you can see where it pulled, especially like right in here and up in here. You can straighten it up. It's really, really wet. It's not like what I thought it was first going to be. But right there it is. It is nice and shiny. So I think I will wear that. Okay, I think that is a full size. Okay, so this is by Manicura Beauty 3 Steps Perfect Lip Bliss. Okay, so moisturizing lip mask. We're getting 10 grams, which is 0.35 flow ounces. It's time to give your lips a little spa time. Contains moments to give dry lips a little hydration and vitamins that aid the appearance of softer, smoother looking lips. Okay, so I'm going to say this is a full size. It smells really good. It smells like candy. I'm going to put a little bit over my lipstick. But it smells really good. Here is the Adofa. So, like, some of that is like you can see right here, it's like thicker than what I really would expect it to be, but it does smell amazing. I don't know what kind of candy that is, but it smells like some kind of candy. Okay. Instant Bright. This is by Skin Medical. It's a Instant Bright eye mask. It contains 2 single-use patches. It's for all skin types. If you need a quick pick-me-up, it's got a cooling gel patch, smooth and hydrate the under eye area for instant refresh. Okay. Dermalect. This is a self-esteem beauty sleep serum. It's got a potent yet gentle anti-aging serum combining 3 active forms of amino acids. Its overnight treatment effectively dull-looking skin, focus on fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. Great for age spots and uneven skin tone. And it also is multitasking facial decollet application. And I guess you just open it up like this. I have tried like a few things by them. Their lash booster, and there's something else I cannot remember. Okay, so here she is. I do like the red bottle. So it's like an oil. It feels really, really good. It smells like alcohol. Like, the first smelled like, oh my God, what is that? Alcohol. There's a certain hand sanitizer that I have used that absolutely I could not stand because it smelled like the alcohol was just so strong in it that it smelled like alcohol that you drunk or drank at first, but now I don't smell like that. That was just so weird. Let me do it again. Yes, like at first it's got like a strong alcohol smell to it. I don't know about that. But it does feel like my hands are like super smooth. They do give like little pamphlet in here. Okay, so it's not really to tell you how to use it or anything. It's just to tell you about their other products. They have a lot. Okay. When the last choice. This is a bio-cellulose sheet mask. Contains 1 mask, 23 milliliters, 0.8 flow ounces. And when your skin feels dry, quench it with thirst with the When the Last Choice. Okay, then When Premium Bio sheet mask for face contains gentle ingredients to help you to drench your skin in a long-lasting moisture. We all know how to use it, and use this one for 30 minutes. It is pretty thick. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but it is. Okay. That is everything. I was going to see, like, if this had alcohol in it, because that's got a smell like alcohol. It could not be, but it does. It only gives the key ingredients, so it doesn't give the rest. Okay, so we did get, like, 3 full-size products. We got the bottle of essence, and then we got, like, 3, 4, 5. So we did get 8 products in here. 5 of them was like sample size, 3 of them being full. I really like the smell of this. I will try this to see if it helps. I don't know if I can take the smell, but it does go away. Then it has some kind of other smell to it, which I don't like either. So I don't know. I'll try it to see if it works, but I don't know if I can get over the smell or not. But I will be asleep, so I do like that. I do think it's dried down really good now, staying in place. I really thought that it'd be more out there. And I do really like this. right now, this time of the year is coming up that we need everything our lips can get, that we can give them, because lips are going to start getting dry from the wind and everything like that. So, every little bit will help. I'm already trying to keep stuff on my lips now because I don't want them to be like, in wintertime, it seems like my eyes, when I go out in the cold, they will water and start burning. My lips, the wind hits it, they chap. My nail polish, I don't have it all the way off yet. I got a peel-on base coat. I've already pretty much peeled all of my nail polish off after 3 days of wearing it because my chickens do not like nail polish. They try to eat my hands completely up. But this is all for this video. If you'd like to try Allure Beauty Box for yourself, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And I guess that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.